Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to do a unboxing of the Lionbrand Santa sacks. So if you like these sort of things, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I do crafty things. It's mostly yarny or crocheting, but I do have a Cricut, a sewing machine, and an embroidery machine that I do every now and again. But I do have monthly giveaways, so check out the monthly giveaway. It should be in the link or in the description below, at least for this month. And then if it's another month that you're watching this, then just check my channel and it'll be up in the giveaways playlist. If you're not new here, then welcome back. You know that I love to do these unboxings and I love the mystery yarn. So I got two of the Santa sacks. They were $19.99 or $19.95 a piece. So I do have an affiliate link down in the description below for Lionbrand yarns. So if you're curious about getting one, then definitely check out that link. So this is what the bag looks like. It's kind of that plasticky canvas, which will last a long time. They're huge. They say Secret Stash of Yarn by Santa, Lionbrand yarn. So North Pole approved, Santa's Toy Factory postage, that kind of thing. But I could use this for my kids any day. Especially the back is blank. So I could probably just put some sort of Santa thing on there with my Cricut. So you get 9 skeins or cakes of yarn with these for $19.95. So 20 bucks for 9 skeins. It's a little over $2 a piece. So that's not bad, and it's all random, so you don't know what you're going to get. But I'm going to go ahead and reach into this bag and show you what I got. So it's a Lionbrand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. This is blacks and different shades of gray down to white. See if I can see one of these. It says to make a hat, it needs only 1 skein. To make a scarf, it's only 2. To make a sweater, you would need 8. You get a bag of 3 here. It's 3 ounces, 85 grams, 153 yards, or 140 meters. Machine washable and dryable. 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight. Do not iron. Yes, sir. Go on. Go play. I love you. Little brother's sleeping right now, so I know you guys like to hear him sometimes in the background, but sometimes it just it's nice not to have the extra noise. That was Big Brother I was talking to, by the way. So 5mm knitting needles, 5mm crochet hook, made in India, and this is called Nightfall. So there's 3 of those. Second one I got, or second bag I got, is this cute. Oh, it's a peachy color. I thought it was pink at first, but it's kind of a corally peachy color. So this is Oh Baby Organic yarn. Let's see, 1.5 ounces, 50 grams, light 2-weight or fine 2-weight, 180 yards or 165 meters. Machine washable and dryable. It's 100% organic cotton. This is in coral. Let's see, made in Turkey. 3.25mm knitting meters. I said that the other day in a video and I didn't realize it till I edited it. But needles. And then 3.5mm crochet hook. So I got 3 of the coral. And I got these. So these are Mandala Tweed stripes. Can you see that? So it's got red and gray, 2 different shades of gray, purple and gray, like a maroon slash magenta and gray, and then it goes back to a red and light gray. So these are pretty. I really like these. I've never seen these before. So these are 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 426 yards, or 390 meters. Machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. It's a medium 4 weight. Oh, little brother's awake. 4.5 millimeter knitting needles or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm going to have to go get him in just a second. This is Shooting Star, the colors. So I got 3 of those. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I got him to go back to sleep. So that's bag 1. So it's the Mandala Tweed, the Baby Organics, and the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. That's in one bag. So the second bag, untie that. So it looks like the same thing. Yep. So it's 3 more of the Oh Baby Organics and Coral. 3 of the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling in Midnight. Wait. Is that what it was? Nightfall. And then the, oh goodness, the Mandala Tweed Stripes. And what color was that? Shooting Star. So I am not disappointed, even though the bags are the same kind of yarn. That makes it where I can make bigger projects or more of the same project, depending on what I'm doing. So, but I got 2 of the bags. I mean, you pay at least $5 to $10 for the bags alone anywhere else. So I wonder if I didn't order these in the same batch or on the same order, if they would be the same thing. I'm thinking I might order 1 more and maybe I'll do a Christmas giveaway to you guys if I can get that bag in quickly, because I ordered these. When did I order these? On the 14th, and they came in yesterday. No, they came in the day before that. So it only took them like 3 days to get to me. So I think I'll go ahead and order 1 more and see if it's the same stuff. And that way, if you guys are wanting different things, you can do different orders for them. They're $19.95 whether you order 1 or order 2. So $19.95 each anyway. But I'm not disappointed in that yarn, and I hope to get some really good projects done out of them. And we'll see about doing that Christmas giveaway. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Once again, subscribe to my channel if you like these videos or if you want to see more yarny things. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!